everyone, welcome to our very first show, Hanging Out with Hussaina. My name is Hussaina Barnabas. I am the social media manager of Change Agents. Change Agents is an organization made up of great people reaching out to the world positively, making great positive impacts all over the world on portraying and promoting positive attitude in the lives of members of the society. Today we'll be looking into a very special topic called Suya, which is one of the favorite street food of Nigerians and in West Africa generally. I have two wonderful change agents with me today who are going to be hanging out together.
Hi everyone, my name is Agent Victoria Michael.
Can you tell us what you like so far about change agents?
It affects life positively, and I've learned a lot from people's experience and testimonies. It now gives me this consciousness to do the right thing wherever I find myself as a change agent.
Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, I'm Agent David Odudako and I'm hanging out with Agent Hussaina.
Thank you. Can you let us know your experience so far with the change agents?
My experience so far with change agents has been awesome. Having wonderful mentors to coach us on lifestyle, how to impact lives positively, and how to develop ourselves as individuals in order to relate with our immediate and intermediate.
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Change Agents. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, we're on our way to our Suya joints. Say hello. Hi. So stay tuned till we get there. Alright. Yes. Can you tell us what you're doing now? What part of the process of Suya?
This is the best we are doing.
Okay.
So we are doing it in parts, not a fuji. Make it in parts.
Why is it not food?
That's how we do it. If you want to eat food, if you want a full chicken, it should be four of this. Yeah, four of this. That's full chicken. Two of this. That is half. But what's the only one like this is quarter. So that's how we do it.
It's like how much is that?
Each is 700 naira.
So what's this process now? Initial food, the first thing you do.
Yeah, after you defeated the chicken, you remove all the intestine and you arrange it. You cut it into four. Then you open all the lap and the lap and the chicken breast. So you open it like this. So when you make this, then you come and garnish it. Pepper.
What is it called?
We call it garnishing materials.
But there's another name they call it.
As in pepper, yaji.
Yachi.
That's how we call it.
So what are the ingredients used in making yachi?
We put pepper is the major material inside.
Dry pepper.
Dry pepper. So mixed with maggi, ginger, other garnishing materials.
What about garlic?
Yeah, garlic strong so that to kill the smell.
So what?
What next is you are just
what part of the process is this?
This is the second part. After arranging it in sticks. After arranging it in sticks.
Okay.
This is what is called hidden. I will make it in sticks like this.
So how much is it?
A stick is 200. And this is big. A stick is 200. So this is the second part. Then it shows also the effect. Grand prices. Because the first stage of what is called half done. This is half done. That's the first stage.
Has it been cooked?
No, it has not been cooked. We'll make it cooked now. But half cooked. That is half done. So after making it done, when customers come and buy, then we'll make it done. So that's the second part, and that's the final stage to the consumer to eat. That's the final stage after the warming. This is what we call the first stage of making it half done. So after you garnish it with pepper, you come to the fire. This is charcoal. Charcoal fire inside. The heat is coming from the charcoal, and we are making it half done for customers to display.
So do you need so much fire to make this out?
Not too much fire.
Okay, not much fire.
Moderate. Moderate.
Okay, can this process be repeated at home? Can somebody try this on me?
If you have all the necessary materials, you can do it at home. It's not all that hard. But for you to get the formula of the spices, that's very different.
Back everyone, we are here at our Suya spot, but before we go into details, we want to let you know the history of Suya. Suya emanated from the northern part of Nigeria. Now it has gone even to other West African countries. It is made from rams, beef, chicken and gizzard. The major condiments used for suya is called yaji. Yaji is a combination of pepper and other spices, which gives the suya a taste.
One has to be undergo training, one has to be trained and learn all the things.
So do you train people here?
We do.
How did you start your business? How did you start? What is motivating you to do this? Are you making it?
We make it. We are making it. We are making it. All of us here are family. So we have family. We have our own family. We eat. We feed them what we get from here. We also help our brothers and sisters at home, and we also help our friends. And we eat, we clothe ourselves, we pay medical bill, we pay rent, and everything. So even the rent of the place is the business that's supplying the rent. That's how we do it. So
what would you advise somebody who wants to start? What does it take
what someone's needs is only the passion, the zeal, the passion. You just need to create a zeal that you want to do it in your mind. If you have the will that you want to do it, you can do it. But if you don't have the passion to do it, even if you are first time, you can't do it.
So now that you're making it, do you enjoy eating suya or you only make it? Do you eat it?
No, we eat. we eat suya like me and my brothers here. We can't stay a day without eating suya. Yeah. Even if we are not in this country, but whereas we are somewhere else, we can't take a day or 2 days without eating suya.
So which is your favorite? Beef, chicken, gizzard?
All of them. But the beef is the favorite. Some enjoy the meat, that's the beef. Some enjoy the chicken. Some prefer the chicken and some prefer the beef. So some prefer the kidney, the gizzard, and other intestine. So it depends on somebody's choice and it depends on one's health. Maybe the advice by doctors and other health issues.
So with the coronavirus, do you still have enough customers?
In the first onset of the disease, we have challenges of customers, but subsequently the market is stabilizing.
Okay, probably because you are carrying out the guidelines.
Yes, exactly. And people are afraid to come out and mingle with other people because of the fear of the disease.
But when they see that you are maintaining the good hygiene,
So there's also
we have our finished products, so we are ready. We have the beef. This is the beef. This is the liver. We have the kidney, and what else? We have the chicken and the gizzard. We have something called masa. Masa is what a lot of people prefer to eat along with the suya. And some others prefer to just have a drink, just as I'm going to be doing, and when that's nice. Feel free to try it out wherever you find yourself. Back, in order to observe proper hygiene because of the pandemic, we wash our hands already and we're going to be sanitizing it while we await suya to be served. Really nice. So what are you having?
I'm having chicken
Wow. Why chicken?
because it's a white meat and it's very, very good for the body.
So how much can you take? Like what quantity?
Probably half chicken lap once in a week or twice a month.
I don't do this often. I'm not so much of a meat fan. That's why I prefer gizzard, intestine, and the rest. Chicken dish, not so much. I don't do it often. Thank you. I've been having so much fun. I don't know about you guys. But
Phone has been my order right now.
Yeah, we're really enjoying ourselves.
yeah. So can you tell us about what you're taking?
Well, I'm making beef as you can see.
And I'm also taking chicken.
Wow. And me, I'm having my gizzard. That's my favorite. So why did you choose beef?
I've always been a fan of beef, actually. So that's why I chose it.
What about you? Why chicken?
Yeah, white chicken is very, very good for the body.
That's really nice. Well, I prefer gizzard because it has no fat. Avoiding fat as much as possible. Thank you. I hope you had a nice time.
Yes.
It's been an interesting time hanging out today, having suya. Thanks for staying with us. We hope to see you next time. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Change Agents. And also remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Change agents up. Thank you so much.